Let's talk numbers affecting the economy. Fresh figures from the National Bureau of Statistics show that Nigeria's economy has recorded stronger growth in the second quarter of 2025. This follows the rebasing of the country's gross domestic product using 2019 as the new base year. Muplang Dakok reports.
Nigeria's gross domestic product grew by 4.23% year-on-year in real terms in the second quarter of 2025, higher than 3.48% recorded in the same quarter of 2024. The figure released by the National Bureau of Statistics shows that these numbers also surpass the 3.13% growth rate of the first quarter of 2025. In nominal terms, GDP rose to a record 100.73 trillion naira as Nigeria continues to work towards achieving the much-anticipated $1 trillion economy. Sectoral breakdown of the report shows that agriculture grew by 2.82%, industry grew by 7.45%, and the services sector recorded 3.94% growth.
I think it's cheering to note that real GDP growth in quarter 2 of 2025 came in at 4.23%. Common man in the street will always ask what is in it for him or her. I think that question will be answered when we have significant expansions in the agri sector and the manufacturing sector.
For the oil sector, average oil production rose to 1.68 million barrels per day, compared with 1.41 million barrels per day in the second quarter of 2024. Meanwhile, the non-oil sector posted 3.64% growth rate, driven by industries such as agriculture, information and communication, real estate, financial institutions, trade, construction, and electricity, gas, steam, and air conditioning supply. In summary, the latest GDP report reflects sustained momentum in Nigeria's economic recovery, supported by both oil and non-oil activities.